With 911R, we have the 66 Ghia Custom, little hot rod outlaw, whatever we want to call it, Ghia. This thing is in immaculate condition. We shoot really good photos and show everything really well, but this is one of those cars when you see it in person, it's like it's way even better. All the chrome, the body fitment, all the little details on the outside are really, really in nice shape. The Fuchs style wheels, the H4 headlights, just everything. We come around and open up the inside of it. We got nice carpet, color contrasting, two-tone interior. We got a Hearst shifter. We got extra gauges. This thing's really, really done right. I've driven this car quite a bit. I have to say my wife really wanted it. We kept it at the house for a little bit, but it's just not, we don't have space. So decided to sell it. So not very many cars that catch my wife's attention. We see so many things, and this one she really, really liked. The motor in it, we don't have any documentation on it, but I've built, I own lots of 356s and done lots of these things. I guess this thing's a 1900 at least. It goes down the freeway fast and solid. It's got the brake upgrade on it, so it stops really good. The transmission shifts really good. The transmission is, just really nice and tight with that Hearst shifter. It's got an extra sump on the oil pan, so you get more oil in it. It fires right up in here. In fact, I'll start it right up right now. You can see how easy it starts. Other cool thing in it, it's got Porsche gauges. Well, we're rolling away a little bit. Porsche gauges, the color match steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes. This is a really great car. You can go to any little Porsche or Volkswagen event, any little hot rod. It's kind of a car that sings to everybody. Anybody's gonna be very, very happy when they get this one. So give us a call if you have any questions, you need a shipping quote or anything figured out, or if you're interested in 911R selling a car for you, let me know. Thank you.